Okay, so I have a little speech at the beginning. She said some of our names, some of our stage names. I'm going to give you all our stage names. We got Izzy B, other vocalist. I'm Red, on one of the two vocalists. This is Transboy Wonder on the bass. We got Mo on the guitar. We got the bass buster on the drums, and we got DJ on the keyboard. Our campers know to say this, and by Raven and the Electric Rocking Dogs, I think you all know how to say it too. Ready to rock?
Ready to roll!
I'm going to give our bridge one more time. I'm going to give you our bridge so you know what to say in our actual thing. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Power.
We got it.
Power.
You got it.
Power.
Let's do it.
Come on. That's our bridge. So I just want you guys to know our bridge. All right, now let's start. Come on.
Wait, hang on.